Hey y'all, I'm here with my second inspired WAP makeup look. And if you would like to check out my first one, I did Cardi B. I'll have a link below. This one is from Megan Thee Stallion, or inspired by Megan Thee Stallion. If you are new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, luxury, lifestyle, occasionally food and travel videos. If you are not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. If you would like to see this look, keep watching. Starting off by hydrating my lips. This is Burt's Bees Lavender and Honey Lip Butter. I need this to sit for a while because my lips are parched again. I'm just gonna apply this light layer. Next, I'm taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance as a primer. As mentioned, today I'll be doing a Megan Thee Stallion look. Her look is more of a golden brown smoky eye, which is pretty fun, neutral. I'm gonna make that gold pop though. So yeah, let's dive right into it. I'm mainly going to be using my Topaz Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. It looks like this inside. I'm gonna start off with this color here as my buffer shade, this one. Taking a super fluffy brush. This is the Cardi E31. Just gonna lightly buff this to the crease. Well, not even lightly. I really want the color to stand out. This is gonna help everything else blend out easier. Like that. Now in the crease, she has an even more defined concentration of color. So for that, I'm taking a Coastal Scents BRC N08. It's a lot more tapered and pointed. The color I'm using is in the same palette. This is the brown. This is going directly into the crease. I'm gonna go back with that crease shade, the one that I applied first, this color here. And just blend it out even more. And while I'm at it, I'm taking the lightest color as my brow highlight, the middle shade. Gonna go back into the crease with the darker brown, deepen it up again. Now, she has a gold on the lid, so I'm gonna do gold. The gold I'm using is actually in this palette. I'm gonna take this one here, second row, first color. Taking just a regular flat brush. Going over the entire lid. You can totally stop here. I'm gonna use glitter. I'm not quite sure if she has glitter or not, but I'm gonna use glitter. This is Hard Candy Showgirl Secret Glitter Glue. Old school, Walmart. I'm not sure if they still have this, they might. And I'm taking the Motives Pot of Gold Glitter. It looks like this, true yellow gold. I'm using that same brush that I used for the gold. Same concept, I'm going over the entire lid. Gonna look down for quite some time until it dries. I know I look crazy, but trust the process, okay? Putting this away. She has like a pop of brightness in the inner corner, so I'm gonna take an even lighter color. This is Nude Beach by Bare Minerals. And I'm using that same fluffy brush I used for the crease. I'm just blending it slowly, because I don't want to dust away the glue, but I do want to blend it in nicely. I'm gonna put this away for now, the Nude Beach. I'm gonna take something on the lower lash line. This is called Call Me. It's a cream jawline from ColourPop. It's brown. This might be darker than it might be a good color. We'll see. I'm continuing to look down. This is also going on the waterline. Minus the inner corner, of course. I'm going across it, though this is totally unnecessary, with this dark brown. Just to set it in place, but these pretty much don't budge anyway, so you don't have to do this. And I'm joining it with Nude Beach. One more time, I'm going into the crease with that dark brown. This is also going to help sweep away any excess glitter that might be there. We'll do some liquid liner next. As you can see, I'm going pretty high with this wing. And I'm literally taking it way out. Try to match the other side. Actually, let's bring this even farther. There we go. Oh, that's amazing. Sorry. You could do it even crazier, but I'm gonna leave it alone before I make it worse. We're gonna go ahead and do concealer at the bottom. My usual ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is white, so I'm mixing it with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chocolate. I'm also using this around my mouth for extra coverage, like I always do. Mascara. This is Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. This is a sample size. I might eventually invest in a full size because it's awesome. It's one of my favorite mascaras of all time. For lashes, I'm doing the exact same ones I did yesterday from Amazon. These crazy long and wispy ones. These. While I'm waiting on glue to dry, I'm doing my face, 2 pumps of my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, along with the Circa Color Balance Liquid Foundation in number 8. 1 pump of this to make my shade. Because I don't like waste. I could throw this one away and this one away, but when I mix them, it's a great color. So I'm gonna continue using it until I run out. I'm gonna mix them with my foundation brush. This is Bare Minerals Heavenly Face. As you can see, it's the perfect color. Taking that extra amount that's left and just going where I need extra coverage. Actually, it looks like she has a pop of brightness under the highest point of her arch, so I'm going to go back in with that nude beach that I used in the inner corner here. This is just what I had left in my lid. And I'm going to apply that. This is a Morphe M433. Whoa, too much. I'm gonna take a small amount of Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is in Molten Gold. I don't think I mentioned this in the Cardi B video as far as the shade name, but it's the same thing I used last time. This is the Sedona Lace FBO1 fan brush. I'm taking a light hand of this because she doesn't have too crazy of a highlight on her face. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye with the NYX HD Finishing Powder. She doesn't really have a blush color, it's more of a light bronzer. So I'm taking Sunpower Mineralized Skin Finish Natural with a 109, I believe, from MAC. I need to wash these, it's embarrassing. I'm kind of bringing it in and up, kind of like a light wash blush, but it's a bronzer. And a little up into the temples. A little around. I'm not gonna focus too much on that. For lips, this is Bloom by NYX. It's a little more pink. For the center, taking something lighter. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Blushing Ambition. Taking a little more of that liner, feathering it in more. And lastly, for a lot more juiciness, I'm taking this lighter pink gloss. This is NARS Relentless Multi-Use Gloss. It has a little bit of frost in there too, which I think will look nice with this. That's it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link my Cardi B inspired look up here, also down in the information box in case you missed it. Please rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications. Let me know if you want to see any other music video inspired looks, and I will do those. I used to do a lot of those back in the day, and I just kind of stopped and forgot about them. But I really enjoy creating these. I may do a Kylie Jenner one too. I may as well. She was in the video too. Hers is more of a wearable look, if I can remember correctly. But yeah, stay tuned for that as well. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.